Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm finishing up that alternator bracket kit. So finally got the alternator back, or finally got the alternator. So I'm getting it in, but you have to trim this hose to make it fit on here. And yes, it is real close to the turbo, but this is where I'm at. So let's get to it. Alright, finally got these on. I had to go back to the store to get a 10mm for, or 10mm Allen for this bolt, and the other two bolts I got the 7/32 Allen to fit them and got them tight. So now I gotta get this bracket from here over. I gotta get it on. So let's get after it. Alright guys, I've got the tensioner on, I've got the bolts on. Make sure this one's tight. There we go. Everything's just snug for now. So now it's time to get to the wiring portion of this. So let's get busy. Alright, now as y'all can see, I've done the wiring upgrade for the alternator, and now I'm running the 4-gauge wire for the alternator. So that's what I'm in the process of doing now. So let's get after it. Okay, I finally got the 4-gauge wire in. It don't look pretty, but it'll get redone once I get all the other piping for the turbo system done. So it's just in for now. So there you go. That's it. Until next time.
You want this one too? 30. Checking the track.
Alright, we have the all clear done. So here we go. Aaron Johnson out of the Birmingham. Right inside. 1751.